Hello friends, today I am back with very important topic from electromagnetic wave theory, that is skin depth. Skin depth is represented as delta. And what is skin depth? Skin depth is measure of depth to which amplitude of EM wave is reduced to 1 upon E. 1 upon E value is nothing but 36.8% of the initial value. So the skin depth is represented as delta, and its formula is delta is equal to 1 upon alpha, where alpha is attenuation, is equal to 1 upon under root pi f mu sigma, where f is frequency of the EM wave, that is electromagnetic wave, mu is permeability, and sigma is conductivity. So now some questions are asked, 4 to 5 questions are asked in GATE exam based on this concept, skin depth. So I have sum up all the questions in this one video. So please keep watching this video till end. First question is asked in GATE EC 1989. Skin depth of copper at frequency 3 GHz is 1 micron. At 12 GHz, non-magnetic conductor whose conductivity is 1 by 9 times that of copper, skin depth would be what? So here data given is skin depth of copper. Let delta 1 is 1 micron. 1 micron is nothing but 1 into 10 raised to minus 6 meters. And frequency is F1 is equal to 3 gigahertz. And let conductivity is sigma 1. Then at 12 gigahertz, non-magnetic conductor whose conductivity is 1 by 9 times that of copper, skin depth would be what? So here frequency is 12 gigahertz now. So F2 is equal to 12 gigahertz. And conductivity is 1 by 9 times that of copper. Here we have assumed that the conductivity of copper is sigma 1. So sigma 2 will be 1 by 9 into sigma 1 is equal to sigma 1 divided by 9. And the medium is non-magnetic. We know that for non-magnetic medium, mu r is equal to 1. That is permeability mu r is equal to 1. Now I will apply formula. Delta is equal to 1 upon under root pi f mu sigma. So delta 2 divided by delta 1 is equal to root of pi f1 mu sigma 1 divided by root of pi f2 mu sigma 2. Now here mu and pi are similar quantities which will get cancelled out from numerator and denominator, and delta 2 is equal to delta 1 under root of f1 sigma 1 divided by f2 sigma 2. So I can write delta 2 is equal to delta 1 is 1 micron, that is 1 into 10 raised to minus 6 into root of f1 is 3 gigahertz, 3 into 10 raised to 9 into sigma 1 divided by under root of f2. f2 is 12 gigahertz, so 12 into 10 raised to 9 into sigma 2 is sigma 1 by 9, so it is sigma 1 by 9. Now this sigma 1 from numerator and denominator will get cancelled out, and we will get delta 2 is equal to 1 into 10 raised to minus 6 into whole root of this 10 raised to 9 will get cancelled out, and this divided by 9 will come as into 9 in numerator. So it will be 3 into 9 divided by 12. So it will be 1 into 10 raised to minus 6 into root of 9 by 3 4s are 12, so 9 by 4. So the skin depth delta 2 at frequency 12 gigahertz with conductivity 1.9 times that of the copper is 9 by 4 micron. We can also write it as 3 by 2 micron. So the skin depth delta 2 is 3 by 2 micron is the final answer. So our answer is 3 by 2 micron or 1.5 micron. And 1 micron is 1 into 10 raised to minus 6. So by applying formula, we can easily solve this example. Now second question is asked from skin depth is, some unknown material has sigma is equal to 10 raised to 6 mho per m, mu is equal to 4 pi into 10 raised to minus 7. Find skin depth at f is equal to 1 gigahertz. So directly applying formula, delta is equal to 1 upon under root of pi f mu sigma. Putting all the values that are given, pi into 1 into 10 raised to 9 into mu is 4 pi into 10 raised to minus 7, sigma is 10 raised to 6. So after solving we will get 1 upon root pi into 10 raised to 9 and 10 raised to minus 7 is 10 raised to 2 and 10 raised to 2 and 10 raised to 6 is 10 raised to 8. So it will be 10 raised to 8 into 4 pi. So overall this 10 raised to 8 will come outside this square root as 10 raised to 4. This pi and this pi, that is pi square, will come out as pi and root of 4 is 2. So it is nothing but 1 upon 2 into 10 raised to 4 pi. Then this value is 15.91 micrometer. So the value of skin depth is 15.91 micrometer. Now next question asked is, the depth of penetration of wave in a lossy dielectric increases with increasing what? So here depth of penetration is nothing but skin depth, and we know skin depth has formula delta is equal to 1 upon alpha, where alpha is attenuation constant and 1 upon alpha is equal to 1 upon under root pi f mu sigma. And for lossy dielectric we have one expression, alpha is equal to sigma divided by 2 root of mu by epsilon, and delta is equal to 1 upon alpha. So from these two formulas we can easily write delta is equal to 1 upon sigma by 2 root of mu by epsilon. So it will be 2 by sigma root of epsilon by mu. Then the depth of penetration of wave in the lossy dielectric will increase with increasing the value of permittivity epsilon, because here skin depth is directly proportional to square root of permittivity, inversely proportional to conductivity, and inversely proportional to square root of permeability. So here the depth of penetration of wave in a lossy dielectric increases with increasing permittivity. So our answer is permittivity, that is epsilon. The next question from skin depth is, the skin depth of an electromagnetic wave having conductivity sigma and frequency 1 megahertz is 25 centimeter. Find skin depth at f is equal to 4 megahertz. Now here the material is same, so conductivity will remain constant. Now applying the formula for skin depth, delta is equal to 1 upon under root pi f mu sigma. Here skin depth at 4 megahertz is asked. So delta 2 by delta 1 is equal to root of pi f1 mu sigma divided by root of pi f2 mu sigma. As here skin depth is inversely proportional to square root of frequency, so we can write it as, now pi, mu and sigma will get cancelled out, and delta 2 by delta 1 is equal to root of f1 divided by f2. So delta 2 is equal to delta 1 into root of f1 divided by f2. Here delta 1 is given 25 centimeters, so 25 into 10 raised to minus 2 root of f1 is 1 megahertz, 1 into 10 raised to 6 divided by f2 is 4 megahertz, 4 into 10 raised to 6. 10 raised to 6 will get cancelled out. This square root of 1 by 4 will come out as 1 by 2, and 25 by 2 into 10 raised to minus 2. That is delta 2 will be 12.5 centimeter. So skin depth at f is equal to 4 megahertz is 12.5 centimeter. So friends, I have completed all the examples that are asked in GATE exam. Just by applying one formula we can solve these examples. All these examples are asked for 2 marks. So this is very important. Now we will revise what is skin depth. Skin depth is denoted as delta. It is measure of depth to which amplitude of electromagnetic wave is reduced to 1 by E, or 36.8% of initial value. Here delta is 1 upon alpha, where alpha is attenuation constant, is equal to 1 upon under root pi f mu sigma. If I adjust it as 2 pi f, then take 2 to numerator, and 2 pi f is omega. So it can also be written as root of 2 by omega mu sigma, where omega is frequency, f is frequency, omega is frequency radian, mu is permeability, sigma is conductivity. So now by applying just formula, we are able to solve all these 4 examples. Here one more formula is very important to remember. For lossy dielectric, attenuation constant alpha is given as sigma by 2 under root of mu by epsilon. So this one formula and this formula, these two formulas are very important.